Today we want to show you how to make your own beeswax balms and salves in the comfort of your own kitchen. Making these kinds of beeswax products, it might feel a little complex or like an overwhelming process if you've never done it before, but we just want to show you in this 19-minute video exactly how easy it can be.
In doing this, what takes the longest is actually preparing all of the different elements. Once you have those elements prepared, it takes 20 minutes to put them together, melt them, and put them into your tins.
We'll show you what temperatures to use, tricks on how to render the wax so it breaks apart easily. You'll learn exactly what propolis is and how to pulverize that to infuse into the olive oil. We'll discuss the types of tins and containers that you can use to impress your friends and family. So if you want to learn how to make balms and salves like a pro now, visit the website and ask for access now.